Either way, I'm doing it. God damn it. Dude, that fucking kid just said, where's the best place to hide? I'm done.
You go in that hole, right there, right in the front of us. You go in the hole, right there.
You go home and hide in your mom's SUV.
No, you go in the hole, right there. You climb in there and then... Are you going to the bus? No?
We're going way farther than the bus.
Running all the way down. Why? Because you can rape people.
Yeah, but guess what? When you guys are both out, then what?
We won't be.
Yeah, we're not.
I'm going with you.
Alright, one sec. I'm gonna make sure they don't friendly fire us. Hey guys! Wait, one sec.
Hey guys.
Okay. Well, we're running all the way up on the right side. So on the fence over there, you'll see us. Don't friendly fire us, please. Yeah, good.
We're gonna run to their fence.
Okay, we're good. Yep.
Yeah, sure. You're gonna really go to their spawn?
Yeah. And you are too?
Wait, I know where to put my pistol though. Like, can you holster mine for right now?
No, it's gonna fall out either way.
Yeah,
I have the same holster as you.
Yeah.
Put in your dump pouch? Do you have a dump pouch?
No.
Oh shit.
Do you have one on?
Yeah.
Would you put us in there?
Sure.
You good with that?
Yeah.
Here, someone just hold it when you run. Oh, you guys both run.
No, because I'm running and gunning.
No, that sucks. You guys both run pumps. That's right. So you can't shoot while running.
Just. God damn it. Oh well.
No. I'll have to hold it.
Just run with it. You're fine.
Should I keep this here then?
Yeah. Just shoot that and then hold that.
Hey, we're running to the spawn, bro.
To where?
We're running the whole field.
Alright.
No, we're not running the whole field.
Wait,
We're going up to the fence line.
Brother or something? No.
We're going up.
You're just
Okay.
borrowing
You know
a
how
gun?
there's like the fences on the right side of the house here?
What's that?
You know the fences on the
That's
right
a
side of
dope
the house
gun,
here?
just saying.
Oh,
Yeah,
all the way up, we're going to there.
Oh, you're going to the fence on the side of the house. Oh,
Yeah.
I was like, yeah.
We should just run straight in the fucking building.
No, we'll get mowed down.
No, we're just gonna fucking rape them.
I've done it before. It doesn't work.
No, I was kidding.
Because like all the kids that hide can still
in there,
shoot,
yeah.
and that's where they go. So.
You sure this is what we want to do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll
Dude, we do it all the time.
lead the pack.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
You're 15?
Yeah. How old are you?
15.
Same.
Good shit.
What?
Yeah, you're 16.
Same. No, I'm not.
I thought you were a junior.
I am.
You skip a grade?
No.
What the fuck?
Late birthday.
Oh. What month were you born in?
1999.
No, what month?
Oh, fuck. January.
January?
August.
December. Gotta wait after birthday.
I don't know how well I'm going to go with this shit.
Just give it to a ref or something. Do you have CO2 on you?
Yeah.
It's up to you. I mean, we can cover you if you need to change.
I just run like this. Fuck it.
Yeah, it's something like that.
That kid just.
You guys want to run with us?
Yay!
You want to run with us?
I might go upstairs, but last time I got trapped, so I
Don't do that.
Don't go upstairs.
Oh, we just got more people.
Hey, would you run with us, bro?
Me?
You cover over us?
May we take this
Give
stand?
us Steve and we can use that.
Yeah, but he only has like half a hopper. This is all I have. I don't have any.
I'll take that as 300. Or at least cover like.
We don't need cover.
Hey, wait, dude,
Like,
hey,
when they say
wait. This
two,
kid could
so.
hold your pistol and run duel. Shit. I fucking lost part of my holster. Keep watching.
Hey, don't give her a cover that was.
I'm not. What you got on?
Upstairs.
Yeah. What's he shooting at? I know. Going upstairs. You can snap him.
I thought I hit him there.
out, you're out. Hey, you're out. I got two. Hey, they're over here, they're over here. Where the fuck are you?
Get over here. Boy, don't point your gun at me, get the fuck out. Right the damn wrist.
Fall back. Not coming.
Reloading.
You're like, boy, don't put your gun at me.
Stay low, man. What do you got? Where's he at? Watch him above. Watch him above. Reese, what do you got?
He's over here. He's over here.
Huh? One sec. You hiding behind me? Oh my god. What? Alright, go ahead. Looking at the crash. Reese, can you move up? Peek out.
Right there, right there.
Yeah, where? Second fence?
Yeah.
Probably. They're calling us out now, be careful.
What's up? Okay, we got one looking at us right here to the far right window on the bottom floor.
Probably.
This kid's being real shifty. We're clear, but we're on the bottom.
You out? Are you out? Yeah, I got him.
Good
There's
shit.
one on the back fence too.
Wait, no break.
Over here. Where was it that shooting on back? The second fence?
That was behind the house. He's behind the house. Hey, can I step on your back and peek over?
You can try. Just don't step in my camera.
If you need support, I'll step on your back.
Got you.
He's on the left side of the
He's behind the fence, bro.
Yeah, he's on the left side.
2 minutes!
You got it? It's not working.
Good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Hey, you're clear, bro.
Whoa.
No, he's on the other side of the fence.
Yeah.
He's on, or not the other side, the second fence.
Second floor or the second fence?
Second fence.
Alright.
Reloading.
Please peek around, see if you can hit him.
What?
Peek around, see if you can hit him.
I'm trying to see him through the fence.
It's not at that kind of angle. I'm watching the doorway, so I'll just see if anyone comes in. What?
Can I run in there?
No, don't. You'll get, there's one on the right side, he'll mow you the fuck down. Okay, we got it.
1 minute! Hey, you want to boost that doorway?
Huh? Well, we gotta do fucking something. So here. 1 second, I'm gonna move.
Hey, over here. Over here.
What?
What was I just looking through where I could see the guy?
Maybe right here. Maybe this one.
I was trying to look through the water.
Alright, we gotta do something. Keep watching this way, man.
He's out. Hey, he's out. Please, Eddie, please.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What happened? Ah, fucking Jesus, man!
Game over!
Ah, where the fuck did that come from?
I don't know. Did I get him?
Did you fucking blind fire on me?
Huh?
Did you go like this around the corner and shoot me?
I was right behind the mailbox. Did I hit you?
Yeah, right there.
CO2 in this thing sucks.
God damn it. Oh well. It's whatever. It's paintball.
I was right here.
Alright, yeah, I thought you like stuck your gun around a corner and shot me, which would have been cheap as shit. You know, it's all good. Yeah, you got me right at the end there. That hurt like shit.
No, because I popped around here because they were shooting at you and then I came past that
Yeah.
mailbox.
Ooh.
Sorry about that.
That's whatever.
Dude, you got me right. Dude, all three of you got me. Where are we running this time?
Bus.
No, we were left in the game. Right up here.
Dude, I got hit right at the end because
We never went out.
They were upstairs in the window.
No, dude, we got like 4 people
I
out
fucking
there.
popped that kid right in his arm. Because like I popped around him, because I was looking through the fence, I popped around, that's when he turned me and shot, so I was like, I didn't have a chance to surrender. And I was like, of course, this is the fucking day I don't bring, or my fucking game, I didn't have time to bring my GoPro.
yeah.
Because like, they're like, alright, we're leaving the nuketown. I wasn't ready.
Yeah. Man. That one hurts. Why do I always bleed when I get shot?
Where do you want to go?
I'm going bus.
Bus?
Probably wrap around halfway through or so.
You want to go
Reload
right
mag.
around it?
I wouldn't go as far to say like right around me. A good idea with this amount of people. But because they're the kind of kids that like don't know when to.
Guys, back up! Move back.
Gotta be behind the fence.
Hey, you wanna run? Hey, if you wanna run,
Hey, where we
run
going?
with the kids.
What? Bus?
Bus?
Yeah.
Hey, we're going to the bus this time.
Bus?
Hey, get behind the fence, everyone. Get behind the fence. Yeah, I'll cover you guys. We're all going to the bus this time.
CJ, get over here. No, put it this side.
Are you running?
Yeah. Go to the bus. You're
run
fine.
straight, ready? Straight to the bus.
Yeah.
Alex, straight to the bus.
No,
Where you gonna
yeah,
run?
I don't know.
I'm gonna hit that corner. Once you know which door you're gonna Alex.
Hey, we're going to the bus, all right?
Ethan, you know where to go,
Yeah.
right?
Don't fucking stop, guys. Just keep going. They're not going to push. Trust me. We're the only three in this game that would actually go there.
You guys just give me some followers.
Ready up.
Keep going. Keep going.
Keep moving. Let's go. What's up? All right.
Hello.
Hi. All right, watch that side.
No, we need some experience player to go
What?
there.
around the bus.
If you go low, you can do it.
Go to the car and then go. Hey, watch that from the much harder.
Do it, buddy. Do it. It's paintball, man. It's just paintball. Fuck right, man.
You can do it. Go. Go. Do it. Stay low. You're clear on the side. Do it, miss.
I'm fucking. Fuck it.
Okay, we're gonna wrap. We're clear there. Alright, use your pistol and look under the bus there. Under the shit or whatever. I am clear. Yeah. What? Garage? Alright, watch your garage. Yeah. What's up? Anthony's calling you. Reese, what do you need?
He's in the garage.
Yeah, you can move up. You're fine. Just stay low. Check it.
Hey, you stay low with that hat.
Clear on the crates. Reese, move up. Reese, you're clear in the garage. Move up. God damn it.
Hey, do we have a guy there?
Where?
Do we have one of our guys?
Where? Alright, yeah, we're clear there. Reese! Reese!
Hey, watch the left one.
I know, I'm trying to make sure. There's some guy over here that's trying to hit. Alright. We're clear on the. Okay, we have one on the left. Reese, I can't hear you, man. I see him, I see him, I see him. Hey, yo, watch underneath the bus. Watch underneath, watch underneath. Anthony, give me a pistol. Anthony, give me a pistol. Got one on the other side. Anthony, give me your pistol. You got a mag in it? Mag's empty. Good. Yeah, it's the kid that I couldn't get with my hammer because it's too fucking big. Yeah! Yeah, there's a few in the house. Or not in the house, in the garage. Where am I getting shot at from?
Hey.
Yeah.
You didn't have a mag?
What?
Did I lose a mag?
No, it's right here. I have one in here. Whoa. Oh, there he is. Alright, let's see if this kid I can take him. Ah, I can't hit that arc. You're out, get out! I hit you, you're out! I hit you, get out! You're hit, get out! Yeah, I got him. He's out. You got another mag? You got another mag? You got another mag? Gotcha, man. Dude, that was fucking crazy. Come out, come out! What the fuck is that? Hey, come around you, man. Come around you, buddy.
What?
Just trying to make sure you don't shoot me.
Hey, they're shooting somewhere.
Dude, who fucking did that?
Oh, okay.
I got him a mag.
Dude, I did not know that kid was... Oh, shit, that was crazy. fucking
The kid
crazy.
shot me in the mask behind the
I'm like, hey, get under the mag, get under the mag. I turn around, and he's aiming his gun at the back of my head. That's crazy.
He wrapped down the speedball gun and overshot me. I was pissed off.
2
That was
minutes!
intense.
2 minutes left!
You
2
know,
minutes!
I'm gonna watch this.
at that point, I didn't even want to argue. I didn't want to argue with him.
One sec, I'm gonna make sure Reese sees me.
I didn't want to argue with him, you know?
Yeah,
Because he overshot me, so I said whatever. I told him to at least barrel stuff you out. I told him not to shoot you.
yeah. I had, oh shit. What was I gonna say? Yeah, dude, I had one ball, or I had 2 balls left in this mag. I didn't know if I had paint left in it. Barrel plug at.
1 minute! 1 minute left!
You see that shit? Dude, that
30 seconds!
was funny as shit. Yeah.
Okay, can I have the mag that's in my chamber? Is that your mag?
Huh? Yeah, that's your mag. I switched them out.
There's out! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Barrel stock on, man. Barrel stock.
3,
Put your barrel stock on.
2,
Barrel stock.
1, game over!
Both games we rushed the whole field pretty much.
Everybody get your barrel stock out with the extra field.
That kid just ran past us. What the fuck?
Yeah, dude, you could have moved up pretty much the entire
Guy
time.
behind you ran past you.
I know, I saw him
That was
run.
funny.
I
You like
turned back
turned your
and I
head,
saw him run. I was
and
like,
you just like skedaddled over there. That was
that kid
funny
didn't
as
even
shit.
run hard. He was like,
Bro, we got cornered at this truck over here. This guy wrapped around.
He's running like a fucking bank robber in a cartoon.
Well, I saved your ass though.
Yeah.
Because I told him, I was like, hey, just fucking...
Yeah, no. I'm asking him because I was using his pistol. I was asking him for another mag. I turn around.
popped you in the
This
knee.
fucking kid's got his gun up to my head.
got you from under the bus.
I was about to curl back around because I'm like, oh, he's going to think I'm still right there.
Bro, that first game,
And I was just got 30 seconds, I was like, fuck
the
yeah.
first game, bro, we ran the whole right side to that fence right by their home building.
Dude, you guys knocked me. I know. I was the whole time.
You didn't even know we were there, did you? Did you know we were there?
No,